Today, world reserve crypto is stronger than ever. With new anti-whale protections, growing visibility, and locked liquidity, WRC is becoming a reference point for secure, community-driven tokens. To keep WRC stable and protect holders, a new anti-whale system is active. Wallets holding over 1 million WRC do not receive APY, and excessive monthly selling is subject to a 20% fee. WRC is recognized as safe and reliable by trusted analytics tools like Gecko Terminal and Dex Screener, a clear sign of growing confidence in the project and its smart contract. WRC's liquidity is locked, which means it cannot be withdrawn or changed. This protects the market and ensures long-term commitment to the project and its holders. The WRC community is expanding. With over 1,300 subscribers on YouTube and the first official article on Medium, the project is gaining attention across new platforms. WRC includes an automatic burn mechanism. With each transaction, a small portion of tokens is permanently removed from circulation, making the token increasingly scarce over time. Hold your WRC for at least 30 days. Make sure your wallet holds less than 1 million WRC. Don't forget to manually activate staking to start receiving rewards in WRC. On the official website, you'll find a dedicated Start Staking button. No team, no promises, no shortcuts. WRC is a decentralized token created for those who believe in transparency, patience, and the power of community.